Wait, it is technology driven fan engagement. And we've even given a name to this dog. The name of the dog is Champak. And no one ever expected that this kind of technology driven engagement for the fans will put BCCI in trouble. This name Champak is what created all the problem. You must have heard that Champak is a very famous kids novel published by a Delhi based publisher house. The moment Champak is the name given to the dog, there was a notice slapped to BCCI for trademark infringement, saying that you are stealing the intangible asset created by us over decades, targeting the same base of young children. Now BCCI is running around the court substantiating that it is not Champak the magazine the inspiration for the dog, but it is Champak the character from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. The judgment of this case is yet to be given, but I have a question for all of you. What should be the accounting by BCCI for this very case pending against the same? The answer lies here. If BCCI loses this case for trademark infringement, it might have to pay compensation to Delhi-based publisher house. It is an obligation, but it's not present obligation. This obligation is a possible obligation. Might have to pay. And this might have to pay obligation has arisen because of something that BCCI did in the past. That is naming that AI-driven dog in the name of the magazine Champak. And whether the BCCI has to pay or not is dependent upon occurrence or non-occurrence of judgment, which can go in favor of BCCI or can go against BCCI. That is an event which is called judgment in the court of law, which is fun, which is future, which is uncertain, and which is not controllable by the party that we're talking about. So this being contingent liability will not be recorded in the balance sheet, but to be disclosed in notes to account just below the balance sheet as a disclosure. However, if the legal bench of BCCI gives a hint saying that this is a sheer trademark infringement and we might have to compensate Champak's owner, that is Delhi driven publisher house, then we might have to create provision for this. So provision is created against a present liability, against a contingent liability when that possible obligation turns into present obligation on fulfillment of two beautiful conditions, one being probable outflow and second one being reliable estimate. When the legal bench tells BCCI that, sir, we will lose this case and we might have to pay compensation of these many crores, then so many crores will be booked as an expense in profit and loss account and shown as a liability in the balance sheet, and it will be re-estimated at the end of each year till the time that contingent liability materializes and payment has to be made. If in case BCCI wins the case, such a provision which will be created has to be reversed. Let me know in the comments what would be the accounting treatment for reversal of such provision. See you all in the next one. Till then, stay in the game.